Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a strategy that not only survives but thrives in today's fast-paced, ever-changing world? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of strategic thinking and planning. Imagine being a chess player. You're not just moving pieces around the board at random. Instead, you're anticipating your opponent's moves, thinking several steps ahead, and adjusting your strategy accordingly. That's strategic thinking in a nutshell. It's about seeing the bigger picture, predicting future trends, and making decisions that will propel you towards your goals. Now, how do we cultivate strategic thinking? Well, the first step is to understand that it's a skill, not a gift. Just like any other skill, it can be learned, practiced, and honed over time. It starts with a mindset shift, from reactive to proactive, from short-term to long-term, and from siloed to holistic. Next, we need to develop a keen sense of observation. To predict future trends, we need to be aware of what's happening around us, both within our organization and in the wider world. We need to listen, watch, read, and absorb as much information as we can. But remember, it's not about hoarding data. It's about analyzing and synthesizing that data to generate insights. Then comes the often overlooked but crucial part of strategic thinking: creativity. Yes, you heard it right. Strategic thinking isn't just about logic and analysis. It's also about thinking outside the box, challenging the status quo, and finding innovative solutions to complex problems. But here's the thing: strategic thinking doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's a collaborative process. It involves engaging with different perspectives, challenging each other's assumptions, and building on each other's ideas. It's about fostering a culture of open dialogue, constructive criticism, and mutual respect. Finally, we need to be nimble. In today's volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world, the only constant is change. So we need to be flexible, adaptable, and resilient. We need to be willing to pivot when necessary, but without losing sight of our long-term goals. Now, here's the kicker. Strategic thinking isn't a one-off event. It's a continuous, iterative process. It's not about crafting a perfect plan and then blindly sticking to it. It's about regularly revisiting and revising our strategy based on new information, feedback, and results. So to sum it up, strategic thinking is a multifaceted skill that involves foreseeing, planning, creativity, collaboration, and adaptability. It's about seeing the bigger picture, predicting future trends, and making decisions that will propel you towards your goals. And most importantly, it's about continuously learning, growing, and evolving. Because in the end, the best strategy is the one that enables you to navigate the turbulent waters of change and come out on top. So the next time you're faced with a complex problem or a challenging decision, remember to think strategically. Observe, analyze, create, collaborate, adapt, and iterate. Because that's how you build a strategy that not only survives but thrives in today's fast-paced, ever-changing world.